Welcome back to our channel, health enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a topic that many of you have been curious about: managing uric acid levels. High uric acid can cause discomfort and lead to conditions like gout, but don't worry. In this video, we'll explore 10 amazing foods that can help reduce uric acid levels. We'll break down the science behind each food and explain how it promotes a healthier balance of uric acid in your body. Remember, this video is for informational purposes only, so always consult your healthcare professional for personalized advice. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Cherries. Cherries are one of the best natural remedies for high uric acid levels. They contain anthocyanins, a powerful antioxidant with anti-inflammatory properties that help reduce gout symptoms. Eating a handful of cherries daily or drinking cherry juice can effectively lower uric acid levels in the blood. Studies show that cherries can decrease the frequency of gout attacks when consumed regularly. They are also a low-purine fruit, making them a safe choice for those with hyperuricemia. Tart cherries in particular are especially effective due to their concentrated nutrients. Incorporating cherries into your diet is both easy and beneficial for long-term uric acid management. Number 2. Citrus fruits. Citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, and limes are rich in vitamin C, which helps dissolve uric acid in the blood. Consuming vitamin C reduces the risk of gout attacks by improving the kidney's ability to excrete uric acid. Lemon water, for instance, alkalizes the body and prevents uric acid crystals from forming. These fruits are also hydrating, which aids in flushing out toxins through urine. Grapefruit, though healthy, should be avoided if you take certain medications for gout. Adding fresh citrus to your diet boosts immunity and supports overall health. A daily intake of these fruits is an easy and tasty way to keep uric acid levels in check. Number 3. Apples. Apples are a low-purine fruit that helps regulate uric acid levels effectively. They contain malic acid, which neutralizes uric acid and reduces its buildup in the body. Eating an apple a day provides fiber, promoting healthy digestion and aiding in uric acid removal. The antioxidants in apples help combat inflammation, offering relief from gout symptoms. It's best to consume apples raw or in their natural form to maximize their benefits. Apple cider vinegar, derived from apples, is another excellent remedy for uric acid control when diluted with water. Incorporating apples into your diet is a simple way to support uric acid management. Number 4. Berries. Berries such as strawberries, blueberries, and blackberries are rich in antioxidants and have anti-inflammatory properties. They help lower uric acid levels by reducing oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. These fruits are also low in purines, making them a safe option for people prone to gout. Blueberries in particular are packed with vitamin C and fiber, which aid in uric acid elimination. Regularly consuming a mix of berries can help prevent uric acid crystallization in the joints. Their natural sweetness makes them an excellent snack or addition to smoothies and desserts. Including berries in your diet is a delicious way to combat high uric acid. Number 5. Leafy greens. Dark leafy greens like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are low in purines and rich in nutrients. These greens provide a good source of magnesium, which helps prevent uric acid buildup. They are also hydrating, aiding the kidneys in flushing out excess uric acid. Kale, in particular, contains antioxidants that reduce inflammation and combat oxidative stress. Leafy greens are easy to add to salads, smoothies, or cooked dishes, making them versatile in any diet. They support overall health while keeping uric acid levels under control. Adding a serving of leafy greens to your meals daily can have lasting benefits for your condition. Number 6. Celery. Celery is a natural diuretic that helps the body excrete uric acid through urine. Its high water content keeps you hydrated and supports kidney function, which is essential for uric acid elimination. Celery seeds are particularly effective in reducing uric acid and managing gout symptoms. This vegetable also contains antioxidants that reduce inflammation and oxidative damage. Drinking celery juice or adding raw celery to salads is an easy way to incorporate it into your diet. Its alkaline properties further help neutralize uric acid in the bloodstream. Regular consumption of celery promotes both joint and overall health. Number 7. Low-fat dairy. Low-fat dairy products like milk, yogurt, and cheese can lower uric acid levels by promoting its excretion. These foods are rich in proteins that do not produce purines, making them a safe protein source for gout patients. Studies have shown that consuming low-fat dairy reduces the frequency of gout attacks. Milk contains uric acid, which aids in removing uric acid from the body. Yogurt provides probiotics, which improve gut health and aid in managing inflammation. It's best to choose unsweetened or plain versions to avoid added sugars. Including 2 servings of low-fat dairy daily can significantly benefit uric acid management. Number 8. Whole grains. Whole grains like oats, brown rice, and quinoa are excellent for managing uric acid levels. They are rich in fiber, which helps the body process and eliminate excess uric acid. Unlike refined grains, whole grains have a low glycemic index, which prevents sudden spikes in uric acid production. Quinoa, in particular, is a good protein alternative without the high purine content of animal sources. These grains also provide essential vitamins and minerals that support kidney health. Incorporating whole grains into your meals keeps you fuller longer and reduces the likelihood of overeating. Switching from refined grains to whole grains is a small change with big health benefits. Number 9. Cucumbers. Cucumbers are hydrating and have a high water content, making them great for uric acid elimination. They are also low in calories and purines, which makes them ideal for people with gout. The antioxidants in cucumbers help fight inflammation and oxidative stress in the body. Eating cucumbers raw, in salads, or as a snack can provide a refreshing way to stay healthy. Their alkalizing effect helps neutralize uric acid levels in the bloodstream. Cucumber juice is another option for those looking to improve hydration and detoxify the body. Regular consumption of cucumbers promotes better kidney health and reduced uric acid buildup. Finally, number 10. Watermelon. Watermelon is highly hydrating and has a diuretic effect, helping flush out uric acid through urine. It is also low in purines and contains alkaline properties that neutralize uric acid levels. The high water content in watermelon aids in diluting uric acid concentration in the blood. This fruit is also a good source of vitamin C, which supports the body's natural anti-inflammatory responses. Eating watermelon as a snack or drinking its juice can provide immediate relief from dehydration and gout symptoms. It is naturally sweet and can replace sugary snacks, which contribute to uric acid production. Incorporating watermelon into your diet is a refreshing way to maintain healthy uric acid levels. Managing high uric acid levels doesn't have to be overwhelming. Small changes to your diet can make a big difference. By incorporating these 10 powerful foods into your meals, you can naturally reduce uric acid levels, prevent painful symptoms, and boost your overall well-being. Remember, consistency is key, and pairing a healthy diet with proper hydration and an active lifestyle will amplify your results. Take control of your health one meal at a time and enjoy the benefits of feeling your best every day.